Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay ituturo ko on how to change Microsoft Edge display language. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-open ang ating Microsoft Edge web browser. So click lang natin to. And then kung paano tayo mag-change ng display language, so a quick and easy lang talaga. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung icon ng settings. So ito yung tinatawag na page settings ng Microsoft Edge. So i-click lang natin to. And then dito sa page settings, so makikita mo dito yung layout and then yung susunod ay yung region and language. So for now, naka-Philippines English tayo. Right, so kung paano tayo mag-change, i-click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then pwede ka nang mag-select dito na any language na gusto mong ipalit. So halimbawa, ito nga Portugal, i-click mo lang yan. And then hintayin lang natin in a seconds ay ma-change na ulit siya. Alright, so ganoon na po kasing plate. Click mo lang itong page settings and select mo lang yung region and language. And then select ka lang dito kung anong language yung gusto mong i-change. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-change ng Microsoft Edge display language. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends who might be experiencing similar issues with their browsers. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.